You are a fox. Phony.
She's like, I'm staying low.
Scientists cannot explain this one.
Ramtin has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god. Oh! Vente! ¡Espejo! Espejo!
An ordinary Tuesday. Nothing could go wrong. Or so they thought. Attack kitten.
Three seconds in, and I already knew this.
This is the content I came to the internet for. Look at F17826801365177. His face is hilarious.
Stay. So he said.
Seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. Houston, we...
Did I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Excuse me, what? Did he just?
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Gary!
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
No way this actually happened. She completely abandoned her kitten.
Oh. 好生气啊，在这里跑酷。
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Nobody asked for this. Nobody need.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Going in. He's in! He's panicking!
Help her. Oh my.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Scientists cannot explain this one.
I got me a motherfucking fork.
You bitch! No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 Who did...
Bad dog.
Watch the ears. The ears know exactly what is going on. Pivot.
Spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
The regret on that face though, he immediately.
I just found out there's an actual clinical name for what you call it when you can't sleep at night and you just eat instead. It's called insomnia.
My jaw literally hit the floor.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Chill. 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 Oh shit.
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Excuse me, what? That cat is attacking.
Is the cactus your best friend?